आवाज येत आहे का?
हा येतोय सर.
So, in that network theory and analysis, firstly, good morning to all. I am Ashok Vidate. Today, I am conducting the lecture on the network theory and analysis. In that network theory and analysis, the next chapter we are studying is nothing but the Laplace transform. Or in that Laplace transform, the firstly the definition of the Laplace transform or the Laplace transform is a powerful analytical technique, or in general case the Laplace transform we are also studying into the mathematics. That Laplace transform is also important in to study the electrical networks. So the Laplace transform is a powerful analytical technique that is widely used to study the behavior of linear lumped parameter circuits. So the Laplace transform are useful in engineering, or particularly when the driving functions has discontinuities or it appears for a short period only, or here if that input signal is discontinuous in nature or that signal is appears for the short duration of time, then Laplace transform is very useful. Or in a circuit analysis, the input and output function does not exist forever in time, or that relation maintains for a short duration of time. So for the causal functions, the functions can be defined as f of t into u of t, or u of t is nothing but the unit step function and f of t is our signal. So the Laplace transform converts the time domain functions into the frequency domain functions, or we are calling this one as a time domain signals into the S domain signals, or generally that S is nothing but equal to S is equal to j omega. So so that S is equal to j omega, or it converts the time domain functions into the frequency domain signals. Or here let we are able to define the Laplace transform as let let f of t be a given function of a time, or it is a t defined for all t is equal to or greater than 0, or t is equal to 1 second, 2 seconds, or greater than 0 seconds. Then the Laplace transform of f of t denoted by Laplace into curly bracket f of t. So here the Laplace transform of f of t we are able to show by using the symbolically as L or capital L into the curly bracket f of t, or for after that the f of t the output or time domain function we are converting to the S domain function. For here the Laplace transform of that f of t is converted as the capital F into bracket S, or S stands for the S is equal to j omega, or that is nothing but a frequency function, or f bar of S is defined as the phi of the S, or inverse of that S. So by using the formula Laplace transform of f of t, or L capital L is nothing but the Laplace transform of this f of t is equal to f of s, or capital F of s, that is equal to the integral part, or here we are having the integral part because we are adding, or integration is used for the purpose of the adding the all the signals, or here we are starting from the 0 seconds up to the 10 second, 19 second, or we are calling 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. So that time we are adding, or their values of that functions or that signals we are adding with each other. So for that purpose we are using the integration, or integration that addition is from t is equal to 0 to the t is equal to infinity, or here from 0 to infinity levels we are able to add. So here f of s is nothing but the integration of e raised to minus of st, e raised to minus of st into f of t into d of t. So here the here is the exponential term. We are adding exponential the input signal. So here, provided the integral exists where s is the parameter of real or the complex, or we know that s is equal to sigma plus j omega. Sigma is the real quantity, j omega is nothing but the imaginary quantity. So we are able to say that the real or the complex values. So the Laplace transform of this sum function, or the Laplace transform of some elementary functions, these are nothing but the Laplace transform 1, or that is nothing but the constant. The constant value is nothing but the 1. When that Laplace transform of 1 is nothing but the 1 by s, or generally that value of that Laplace transform of 1 is 1, we are calling this one as a unit step function, or its value is constant and having a unit value, or instead of that 5, 6, 7, these are also nothing but the constant numbers. And if that constant value is there, so here 5 into 1, or generally we are able to say that the Laplace transform of that unit function is nothing but the 1 by s. So how we are able to find out that value, or generally Laplace transform f of t, instead of that f of t the value is 1. So firstly, integration, the formula of this Laplace transform is integration from 0 to infinity, or the values of that time. Time is from 0 second, 1 second, 2 second up to the infinite second. So that time we are expressing in terms of the seconds. E raised to minus of st dot 1 into dt, or here generally previously the formula is e raised to minus of st dot f of t, e raised to minus of st dot f of t. Instead of that f of t, our value is unity value, or value is 1. So how we are able to calculate? So 1 multiplied by that e raised to minus of st is nothing but the e raised to minus of st. So the integration of e raised to x, we know that the integration of e raised to x is equal to, काय आहे e raised to x integration? So the integration of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x divided by x value, or here e raised to ax, the integration of e raised to ax is nothing but the a is nothing but the minus s, that is the multiplied with our t. So integration of e raised to as or at is equal to e raised to minus of, or here a raised to minus of st is equal to integration is nothing but e raised to minus of st divided by minus of s, or e raised to at is nothing but e raised to at divided by a. So here the values we are able to put as like 0, or here e raised to infinity and e raised to 0, or here e raised to minus of s into infinity minus e raised to minus of st, and that value we are putting. So if we find out that value, what happens? E raised to minus of infinity, or e raised to infinity is nothing but the 0, then next minus, and that minus it becomes plus, and e raised to 0, e raised to 0 means here 1. But here the upper minus and lower minus that are removed out, so here e raised to 0 is nothing but equal to 1, or generally we are able to write down as like, so here firstly second form it becomes 0, or how we are draw. So here a raised to 0, a raised to 0 is nothing but equal to 1. But here the another, firstly e raised to infinity, infinity is nothing but the equal to 0, then here minus of e raised to 0, then here e raised to 0 means minus of 1, and divided by that minus s as it is. So that one is nothing but the minus s. So here that minus and that minus get cancelled out. The only remaining value is 1 divided by s, or 1 divided by s, that value when s is greater than or is equal to 0, or s is greater than 0 seconds. So similarly, For that, e raised to Laplace of e raised to at or e raised to at, the Laplace transform of that e raised to at is equal to 1 divided by s minus e, or how that answer comes. So to find out that answer, firstly Laplace of e raised to at is equal to the, here the value is nothing but the f of t. That value is nothing but the, this value is f of t, because in our previous one slide that value is nothing but the f of t. So e raised to minus of st dot e raised to at, that value is we are putting here instead of that 1. Previously we have put the value as a 1, here we put the value as a e raised to at. So here that e raised to at, but we know that e raised to minus of st dot e raised to at, the both the are the exponential values. Here algebraic sum we are taking. So when we take algebraic sum, here the up, upper constant, so then here minus I add output here, then here e raised to s minus a, and t is also in the outer side. So e raised to s minus a and t is also